So, welcome to kinetics. Today we will discuss a proof, that is proof that root 2 is irrational. This is a very often question that is asked in the CBSE board examination. Similar type of proof, that is proof that root 2 is irrational, or root 3 is an irrational number, root 5, root 7, these are irrational numbers. We can prove this by the method of contradiction. This proof by contradiction means we'll take some assumption and we'll verify that assumption. After verifying, we'll come to the conclusion whether we'll accept the assumption or we'll reject the assumption. So that is the method of contradiction. So what we'll do here, the step 1, we will take the assumption that is root 2 is a rational number. So what is rational number? Any number that can be presented in the form of p by q is a rational number. So here root 2 can be presented as root 2 equal to p divided by q. So p and q are integers with no common factor. Now squaring the both sides of this equation, what we will get? Squaring root 2, that is 2, equal to p square divided by q square. That implies p square equal to 2q square. By cross multiplication, we will get p square equal to 2q square. So here p square is a multiple of 2. That means p square is a even number. If p square is even, that means p is even. So if p is even, we can say p is also multiple of 2. So let assume p equal to 2k. So by replacing p equal to 2k in this equation, we can say 2k whole square is equal to 2q square. That implies 4k square equal to 2q square. From this, we will get q square equal to 2k square. That means what we are getting here? We are getting here q square is also a multiple of 2. That means q square is even. Q square is even means q is also even. For example, let us say 4. 4 is even. That means 2 is also even. 4 is square of 2. Similarly, 16. 16 is even. That means root over of 16, that is 4. That is even. If the square is even, then the root over of that perfect square will also be even number. So what we are getting here? We are getting p is even and we are getting q is also even. That means both p and q are even. So both p and q are multiple of 2. This shows that p and q are not co-prime. So what is co-prime? Co-prime means two integers that have no common factor other than 1. Here what is the common factor? Here they are even. That means they have a common factor of 2. So this contradicts the original assumption. The original assumption, what is the original assumption? That is root 2 is rational. So this assumption is contradicted. Therefore, we can say root 2 is irrational. In the similar way, we can prove root 3 is irrational or root 5, root 7, these are irrational numbers. Based on previous year questions, generally the questions are coming in the board examination in 4 different patterns. That is root 2 is irrational. Then 3 root 2, that means multiplication of rational number with irrational number will be irrational number. Then prove that root 2 plus root 3. That is, addition of two irrational numbers will be irrational number. Then prove that 5 plus 3 root 2 is irrational. So these are the four different patterns of questions that generally come in CBSE board examination. Thank you. I hope all of you have enjoyed the video. Your support matters. Like, comment, share and subscribe the video for more contents like this. Thank you once again.